We're making a delicious spicy chicken and vegetable stir fry. We're going to take our marinated chicken here. I'm going to put that right in there. So these are done. We're going to get them out of there. And we're going to take our vegetables here. Now we're just going to add our rice and add our mushrooms and add our marinated chicken. That's about done. We're going to shut off our burner. Let's plate that up and give it a taste test. Yeah. Alright, now let's just have a little taste. Wow, can you see it? Boy, is this going to be good. Just plain good. Alright, let's have a little taste. Boy, is that tasty. And the chicken's so tender. Perfect seasoning. Yep, I'm glad we made enough because that's not going to last long. You got that right.